Hello everybody, welcome, and today I am going to be cleaning up this old projector that I found actually at a thrift shop. This is the so-called Universal Model PC500 projector from the late 40s, and it is made of steel, and it looks very nice and vintage, but it's very dirty and sort of in working order. If I turn it on right now, let's just, nothing. Let's try again. There we go. So the motor runs, that spins, that does not spin. Probably because it's kind of stuck on there. We'll try to grease that up. So hopefully I can make this look a lot better, because it's a really nice display piece and I want to kind of make it look good again. So with the help of ISO, cotton balls, and air pump and my trusty volcano running, I think we can get this done. So check in with you guys in a little bit. Okay, we are back about 40 minutes later, and our projector is looking not too shabby indeed. We took an air hose to it, got all of the dirt off, put some of the pieces in ISO. We cleaned it off also with a damp rag. And then on the actual mechanism side of things, we lubed up these right here, all of them. We took the chains, we shortened them and tightened them up because they probably had gotten a little bit loose. And what else? Oh, also we took this cap off, and we also took the other cap off that's on the other side. And we cleaned the bulb that's in there. So that was pretty good. And turned out the bulb was working, but you gotta have the projector on to turn it on. But check this out. So now the motor turns on, and the big difference from before is, look at that. Everything is spinning very quickly. And this is actually still on the lowest speed. And now we can also turn on the lamp. There we go. And in fact, the lamp is on in there. And this entire thing seems to work just fine. So for me, this is still going to be a neat display piece, something you can turn on just for fun, but set it near an outlet and people can enjoy it. But I don't know, I like steampunk stuff, and this was really easy to just sort of find and check if it works, and sure enough, it did with a little bit of maintenance. Hope you guys found this fun. If you did, subscribe, hit that like button. We'll see you guys next time.